Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to discuss topic 1.9, that is electric field lines. Uh, uh, Friends, in last lecture we discussed about the electric field. So, in electric field we understood that the vector it is to be represented as a vector quantity. Okay, so vector E was the symbol. Okay, today we are going to consider the pictorial view of electric field by considering a point charge. Okay, so what is to be done? So we have to draw the vectors pointing along the direction of electric field with their lengths proportional to the strength of the electric field at each point. So we'll do practice, हम ये करेंगे और you will get the things. Okay, second thing what we know is magnitude of electric field is इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिस्टेंस. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. एंड वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिक्रीजेस ड्रास्टिकली with the increase in the distance, right? Okay, so what we'll do, let us try to understand how to draw the electric field lines. So I am considering a positive charge first. Okay, so let us say this is a positive charge and consider that to be a point charge. Okay, then after I will draw a field lines. Okay, so we have to understand that the direction of electric field is always from higher to lower. Okay, so this is a positive charge, so it is higher, and on lower side you can consider a neutral. Okay, so the direction of field is outward. Okay, so I'll show it by outward lines. So field is everywhere in all directions, so I am just showing it in all directions, right, like this. Okay, fine. Okay, then you have to understand that the vector gets shorter as one goes away from the origin. Okay, so yeah, this is origin, right? And from origin if I'll go away, then the strength of the field is decreasing, it gets weakened. So जो next vector I am going to draw, so उसकी length है वो आपको short दिखानी है. So it will be like this. Okay, आप इसको short में दिखा सकते हो. Okay, and eventually when I'll draw a third vector, तो उसकी length है that should be more shorter than the previous one. Okay, so this shows that the field is decreasing eventually as you are going away from the origin or from the positive charge. So this is how you can show the electric field lines. See, this is known as lines. Okay, these are known as electric field lines. Okay, and you can understand that the density is directly proportional to the number of lines. Okay, if you consider this area, then density of lines is more, and if you will consider the same area anywhere else, then you will find that the number of lines are less. If I want to draw the same thing for a negative charge, then let us consider a point charge which is negative over here. Let us say this is negative. Okay, and I will draw the vectors first. Okay, so these are the vectors. As this is a negative charge, you have to understand that the direction of the field is always from higher to lower. Okay, so negative charge is lower compared to the neutral. Okay, and that is how its direction is towards the center, towards the origin. Okay, and then after you have to understand that as you are going away from the origin, its vector length should be decreased. Okay, so this is decreased line. Then after अगर आप उससे आगे वाला वेक्टर ड्रॉ करोगे, so you have to draw its length lesser than the previous one, right? Okay, so this is how you can draw the field lines. Okay, so what is important point, that is electric field is strong near the charge, and so the density of field lines is more near the charge. if you remember in last lecture we have given one example. Electric field is very similar to the smell. Okay, so we all know that के source of the smell है वहाँ पे smell strong होगी, and when you are going away from it, so you will find that the intensity of the smell is decreasing. Same way, electric field is stronger near the charges, and the density of field lines is more near the charges. We need to understand this. Okay, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है डेंसिटी वाला पॉइंट. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. कंसिडर दैट वी हैव मार्क्ड rectangle of x area. Okay, so in how much lines are covered in this blue rectangle? So you will say your answer is 2 lines are covered. Okay, and if I will try to draw the same rectangle anywhere else, same area, ठीक है, so let us say the same area rectangle is drawn over here. So how many lines are covered now? So your answer is 1 line is covered. Okay, so you have to understand that for a given constant area, the number of lines is decreasing as you are going away from the field. Okay, from the origin, right? Okay, so another important line is written: away from the charge the field gets weaker. Away from the charge the field gets weaker. Okay, and the density of field lines is less. यहाँ पे 2 थी, बाद में 1 हो गई. Okay, and it will result in well separated lines. So you can see that यहाँ पे 2 lines के बीच का distance है वो काफी क्लोज है. ओवर हियर 2 लाइन के बीच का डिस्टेंस है वो काफी ज्यादा है. राइट? ओके, सो दे आर वेल सेपरेटेड लाइंस. देन वी हैव आप बोलोगे कि इज इट नेसेसरी दैट ओनली 6 लाइंस इज टू बी ड्रॉन? नो, यू कैन ड्रॉ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ लाइंस. आप चाहो उतनी लाइंस बना सकते हो, बट द नंबर ऑफ लाइंस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. Okay, what is important is relative density of lines in different region, right? Okay, so what is relative density now? Relative density is like over here there were 2 lines and then after it has become 1. So the change, the relative change is more important to represent any field. So ये part 1 था. We'll upload the part 2 also. Thank you.